Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the new Automotive Oil Film Brush. So we're gonna have an honest review if it's legit or just a scam. So what this basically does is it's a film cleaning brush. So this will try to remove all type of anti-fogging, versatile in uses right here, durable protective layer, versatile cleaning tool, and easy to clean. So those are its claims right there, and it will basically just try to remove it has a hydrophobic layer that's going to be applied to your screen basically. That's why it will try to so-called remove the stubborn oil that will help remove the water. So this is already a real thing. It's a water repellent basically. You can use this in your windscreen, your mirrors, and many more. So here's a review right here. So how they tried the oil film cleaning brush in 2024. So it costs around £6, but it's $8 right here. So I would not buy it right now. Just wait for a sale already. So here they tried it, and basically that they tried to convince themselves that the oil brush was working, but after a few weeks it became clear it doesn't perform as promised, of course, because it's not a branded version. Because the others, there's branded films right there where they can actually do it, but this product specifically does not work. So when you go right here, so it just tries to create a water vapor layer or just a layer on the paint or on the screen that basically repels water, that helps it actually try to remove water particles and keep it clear and other things like that. So, does it really work? The claims are really long lasting protection, but it has inconsistent performance, and in rainy conditions, the hydrophobic effect works sometimes, but not as always expected. So I would just recommend you to buy a real oil film cleaning brush, not this one. But I would recommend the branded ones and not use this one. I won't name any brands. You can go ahead and research and do it yourself. But basically, this is just a working product, but it's technically a scam.